I've been using this little Dreamegg D1 Nova Sound Machine for a couple months now. It's kind of become the MVP of my bedtime routine. It's small, like palm size. But don't let the size fool you. It's got 25 soothing sounds, white noise, fan hums, nature sounds, lullabies, all that good stuff. So let me show you a couple things that I love. The timer for your sounds goes from 10 minutes up to 480 minutes. You could do that by setting this right here. So I can either just drift off or leave it on all night. And the display dimmer is a game changer. You get 5 levels of brightness, so it doesn't blind me when I roll over in the dark. And on top of that, it wakes me up gently. You get 7 nature alarms like birdsong or piano. And I'll show you that right now. Here's one. You can also change the volume of the alarm so it's not blaring early in the morning. Now, it's also a brilliant white noise machine, and I can't sleep without white noise. So let me go over some of those white noises. If you're someone that likes to sleep with natural sounds, here are the natural sounds. It also has a light ring around it. I'll show you that. There we go. So we can change the color here. You can also change the brightness here. Make it super bright. That's what you like. Bottom line, this thing may look tiny, but it's powerful, it's thoughtful, and way more than just a noisemaker. If you're looking for a sound machine at night to help you sleep, I'd consider putting this on your list.